Welcome back to Zero at Math. Here's the first one from our list of mind-bending equations that we can solve purely algebraically, no graphs needed. Question 1x to the x equals 81. This looks tricky at first. X raised to the power x equals 81. 81 is 9 squared or 3 to the fourth, or even 81 to the first. So maybe there are simple integer solutions? Let's test some obvious guesses. Try x equals 3. 3 to the 3 is 27, too small. X equals 4. 4 to the 4 is 256, way too big. X equals 9. 9 to the 9 is enormous, definitely too big. X equals 81, even bigger. What about x equals 81 to the 1 over 81? That's very close to 1. And 1 to any power is 1, too small. So, no obvious integers. Here's the clever trick. Take natural log on both sides. The natural log of x to the x is x times the natural log of x. So x times natural log x equals natural log of 81. That is, x natural log x equals natural log of 81. And since x to the x is e to the power x natural log x, we can write x natural log x equals the natural log of 81. Now, this looks perfect for the Lambert W function. The inverse of w times e to the w. Let me set w equal natural log x, so x equals e to the w. Then we get e to the w times w equals natural log of 81. That is w e to the w equals natural log of 81. By definition, Lambert W satisfies w of z times e to the w of z equals c. So w equals w of the natural log of 81 on the principal branch. Therefore, natural log x equals w of the natural log of 81, and x equals e to the w of the natural log of 81. There is a handy identity. E to the w of z equals z divided by w of z, because w of z times e to the w of z equals z. So we can also write x equals natural log of 81 divided by w of the natural log of 81. Both forms are exact and equivalent. Now for a quick numerical sense check. Still without any graphs. The natural log of 81 is 4.394449. We need x times natural log x to equal that. Try x equals 3. 3 times natural log 3 is about 3.29, too small. Try x equals 4. 4 times natural log 4 is about 5.54, too big. So the solution lies between 3 and 4. Try x equals 3.5. 3.5 times natural log 3.5 is about 4.385, a bit small. Try x equals 3.504. 3.504 times natural log 3.504 is about 4.395, slightly big. So the solution is very close to 3.504. Using the Lambert W form, w of 4.394449 is about 1.254. So x equals e2, that is approximately 3.504. And indeed, x to the x at 3.504 is about 81. So the exact positive real solution is x equals the exponential of Lambert W of natural log 81, or equivalently, natural log 81 divided by Lambert W of natural log 81. Numerically, x is approximately 3.504. There you have it. The first equation cracked with pure algebra and a special function. If this blew your mind, like the video, subscribe to Zero at Math for the next 200 coming up, and I'll see you soon.